Hi, everyone, and welcome back to SpeakEasy English. I'm James, and I'm really happy you're here with us today. If you want to speak English fluently and confidently, you're in the right place. Today's episode is all about practice, real speaking practice. No pressure, no stress, just simple English and clear conversation.
Hi everyone, I'm Julia. Before we start, I want to tell you something very important. Please don't worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are a normal and helpful part of learning English. Every fluent speaker you hear today once made the same mistakes you are making now.
That's right. You don't need perfect grammar or a big vocabulary. You just need to start speaking. Even one sentence a day can make a big difference. In this podcast, we speak slowly, clearly, and naturally so you can listen, repeat, and practice with us.
Yes, and we want you to feel relaxed. You can listen while walking, driving, or sitting at home. If you feel shy speaking English, that's okay. Just listen first, then repeat after us. Your confidence will grow step by step.
Today, we'll practice useful English that you can use in real life. You'll hear simple sentences, common expressions, and natural pronunciation. You don't need a notebook, just your voice.
So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and get ready to speak. Say the words out loud, even if your pronunciation isn't perfect.
Remember, fluency comes from practice, not from fear.
Let's begin and speak English together.
Let's start with today's topic. Julia, let's talk about daily routines. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 in the morning. I try not to use my phone right away. I like to start my day calmly.
That's nice. What is the first thing you do after you wake up?
First, I drink a glass of water. Then I wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I make my bed.
Do you have breakfast every day?
Yes, I do. Breakfast gives me energy. I usually eat eggs or fruit and drink a cup of tea or coffee.
Right. Now let's move to another topic, ordering food. Imagine you are in a cafe. What do you say to the waiter?
I smile and say, "Hello, can I see the menu, please?" When I'm ready, I say, "I'd like a sandwich and a cup of coffee."
That sounds very natural. What if you want something different, like less sugar?
I say, "Can I have less sugar, please?" or "No sugar, please." Simple and polite.
Perfect. Now let's talk about feelings. How do you say you feel tired?
I say, "I'm tired today," or "I feel very tired." If I'm happy, I say, "I feel good," or "I'm happy today."
And what do you say when you feel stressed?
I say, "I feel stressed," or "I need a break." Talking about feelings helps other people understand you.
That's true. Now let's talk about making friends. Julia, how do you start a conversation with a new person?
I start with something simple. I say, "Hi, how are you?" or "Nice to meet you." Then I ask easy questions.
Like, what kind of questions?
I ask, "Where are you from?" or "What do you do?" These questions are friendly and common.
What if you want to be polite and friendly in English?
I smile, listen carefully, and say please and thank you. Being kind is more important than speaking perfectly.
That's a great point. So today we talked about daily routines, ordering food, feelings, and making friends.
Yes, and all of these topics use simple English that you can practice every day.
Remember, speaking fluently comes from using English again and again.
Keep practicing with us, and your English will improve naturally.
Now it's time to speak together. This is the most important part of the episode. Please don't just listen. Speak out loud with us. Even if you are alone, even if you feel shy, use your voice. Speaking is how fluency begins.
I will say each sentence slowly and clearly. Please listen first, then repeat after James. Take your time. Sentence 1. I'm trying to improve my English every day.
Listen again and repeat with me. I'm trying to improve my English every day. This sentence is very useful. I'm trying means you are making an effort. You don't need to be perfect. You are learning step by step. Listeners, repeat now. I'm trying to improve my English every day.
Sentence 2. I practice speaking English whenever I can.
Repeat with me. I practice speaking English whenever I can. Whenever I can means anytime you have a chance, maybe at home, at work, or while walking. Listeners, say it again. I practice speaking English whenever I can. Sentence 3. I'm not afraid of making mistakes. Repeat slowly. I'm not afraid of making mistakes. This sentence is powerful. Mistakes are part of learning. When you say this sentence, you are building confidence. Listeners, your turn. I'm not afraid of making mistakes.
Sentence 4. I try to think in English, not translate.
Repeat with me. I try to think in English, not translate. This means you use English naturally, without changing from your language to English in your head. Listeners, repeat again. I try to think in English, not translate.
Sentence 5. I speak slowly and clearly.
I speak slowly and clearly. Speaking slowly helps you sound more confident and natural. Listeners, say it now. I speak slowly and clearly.
Sentence 6. I use simple words to express my ideas.
Repeat with me. I use simple words to express my ideas. You don't need difficult words. Simple English is strong English. Listeners, repeat. I use simple words to express my ideas.
Sentence 7. I practice English every day, even at home.
I practice English every day, even at home. This sentence reminds you that practice can happen anywhere. Your turn. I practice English every day, even at home.
I feel more confident when I speak English.
Repeat. I feel more confident when I speak English. Confidence grows with practice. Every sentence you say helps you improve. Listeners, repeat once more. I feel more confident when I speak English.
Great job! If you spoke with us, you are already improving your English. Remember, fluency is not about speed, it's about comfort and clarity.
Keep repeating these sentences every day. Speak in front of a mirror, record your voice, or speak to yourself.
Now let's move on and continue practicing together. Now it's time for a mini role play. Role plays help you practice real-life English. Please listen first. Then you can repeat later and practice by yourself. Imagine you are in these situations with us. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Sure. Would you like milk or sugar?
Milk, please. No sugar.
All right. Anything else?
Yes, I'd like a sandwich.
No problem. Is that for here or to go?
For here, please.
Okay. Your total is $5.
Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please take a seat. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you very much.
Situation 2. Phone call.
Hello, this is James speaking.
Hi, James. This is Julia. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good. I'm calling to ask about the meeting today.
Sure. What would you like to know?
What time does the meeting start?
It starts at 3 in the afternoon.
Okay. And where is it?
It's at the main office.
Great. Thank you for the information.
No problem at all. See you later.
See you. Have a nice day.
Situation 3. Job interview. Good afternoon. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Can you tell me about yourself?
Yes, of course. My name is Julia. I enjoy learning new skills and I like working with people. I'm always trying to improve myself.
Why do you want this job?
I want this job because I like learning and I enjoy helping others. I believe I can do good work here.
What are your strengths?
I am responsible, friendly, and patient. I try to do my best every day.
That sounds great. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes. What does a normal workday look like?
We work as a team and help each other. We focus on quality and clear communication.
Thank you for your time.
You're welcome. We'll contact you soon. Now, choose one situation and practice it again. You can change the words to match your life.
Speak slowly. Use simple sentences. Real English is simple English.
Role plays help you feel ready for real conversations. Great job for staying with us until the end of today's episode. If you listened, repeated, or even spoke just a few sentences, you are already improving your English. Many people think fluency comes from talent, but that's not true. Fluency comes from daily practice. Small steps every day create big results over time.
Yes, and remember, you don't need a classroom or a perfect environment to practice English. Speak English every day, even at home. You can talk to yourself, describe what you are doing, or repeat sentences from this podcast. Every time you speak, your confidence grows a little more.
Don't wait until your English is perfect. Perfect English does not exist. Clear and confident English is what matters. When you make mistakes, it means you are learning. When you feel shy, it means you care. Keep going anyway.
Be kind to yourself. Learning a language takes time. Some days will feel easy, and some days will feel difficult. Both are part of the journey. Trust the process and stay consistent.
Try to make English part of your daily life. Speak in the morning, listen in the afternoon, and repeat at night. Even 5 or 10 minutes a day can change the way you speak over time.
And remember, you are not alone. We are practicing with you. Every episode is designed to help you speak more naturally and feel more comfortable in English.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please support us by subscribing to the channel.
New episodes will help you practice real English, step by step.
Subscribe to SpeakEasy English and keep speaking every day.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing.
See you in the next episode.